Hello and welcome to a short video from CBS Automotive. This is an Audi that we've been working on today. So what we've installed here onto the factory radio, as you can see, if you're listening to FM radio, you can we've activated as such the phone icon there. Before that used to come up with no phone active or not accessible, now fully functional. So this is a Fiscon integrated system that we've installed. This we've installed within about an hour and a half. It's a nice easy install for us. We've got quite a talented team here. So as you can see, you can dial in a number, it comes up with your phone book as well. And that's our contact number there. So if you are looking to have anything like this installed, please do give us a call. It looks really OEM, it's a perfect finish, all integrated in, there's no visible wires. The vehicle also has been washed and hoovered as well, like all vehicles that do leave our premises, also with a happy customer. So please do give us a call. Or just search up CBS Automotive. We do actually have a designated page for Fiscon integrated systems. So just go on to hands-free solutions and then integrated solutions, and you'll see the Fiscon logo there where you can have a bit more information. But feel free to just give us a call and one of our team will be happy to help you out. Thank you very much for watching.